One needs to understand this is a long-term industry, and that by simply trying to take an undue slice of the pie, you're putting the industry and its long-term sustainability at risk. And that is not limited to workforce. It's also management and the way the shareholders might want to get remunerated. Central government want an extra slice. So balance it out and there's a business in the long term. I think the reality is we are in trouble. There certainly is a big cost difference between what can be sustainably afforded and what is the current cost of doing business in South Africa. It is not only labour, it certainly goes to utilities, capital expenditure, and a variety of the utility expenses that forms the basket.
The reality is that the current low rand price for the platinum basket is not sustainable, and while South Africa produces 70% of the mine supply of platinum globally, prices will have to go up. Something has got to give. Investors have told us by investing in the ETFs that they've got more confidence in investing in the metal itself because of the long-term good prospects in the fundamentals. That points a finger to the challenges that mining companies are facing in producing the metal. The safety results is probably the best success story of the mining industry in the last 10 years. Incredible focus has gone into safety, changing the culture for all involved in the mining industry. We can see the number of fatalities drop. We can see the lost time injury rate come down significantly over the last 10 years.
The short answer to that is the responsibility of making sure that this business is around into the future. And that sits in the hands of the central government, the workers, and the mining bosses and shareholders. We need to make sure that this industry, as a labour-intensive industry, is around to provide opportunities for people into the future.
South Africa has got a phenomenal resource base, and we need to capitalise on that. The reality is that of GDP, the mining industry only contributes a little bit above 6%, but the multiply impact of that, the impact on employment and the family supported by the mining industry is immense. Mining supplies 60% of exports of this country. Without it, our balance of payments will be in even worse shape than what it is at the moment. There is fantastic potential for the mining industry to make a difference in this country.